The FileUpload control is the only way for a user to transfer a file to a web application using an unmodified web browser. You've encountered the FileUpload control a few times previously, but you'll take a closer look at it in this lesson. To begin, open the Textland project from your Sample Files folder. And open xml.aspx in Design View. In this lesson, you will add a FileUpload control to this page to enable the user to upload a file. You will use this page to read XML files in Lesson 10.10. This is the only reason that XML is mentioned in this lesson. Add a FileUpload control to the page now. You will find it in the Standard category of the toolbox. Now set the ID property of the new FileUpload control to FileUpload XML. Next, add a button control to the page just after the FileUpload control. While the FileUpload control allows the user to select a file to upload, it doesn't offer a way to send the file to the web server. You will need a button control to submit the file. When the button control is clicked, the file that the user has selected will be sent to the web server as part of the user's request. Set the ID property of the new button control to button upload XML and set the text property to upload XML. Now add a click event handler to the new button control. You can do this quickly by simply double-clicking the button. Now you're going to add some code to the new event handler to check whether a file has been selected for upload. Add the following code to the button upload XML click event handler. If FileUpload XML .hasFile. The hasFile property of the FileUpload control will be true if the user has selected a file to upload. Now add the following code inside the if statement to retrieve the uploaded file's binary data. Byte file bytes equals FileUpload XML dot file bytes. Finally, you'll need to add some code to save the file onto the web server. Add the following code on the next line. String filename equals FileUpload XML dot filename. String savePath equals server.mapPath tilde plus filename system.io.file.writeAllBytes savePath file bytes. The filename property of the FileUpload control contains the name of the uploaded file. The server.mapPath method converts a relative path into a physical path. The tilde indicates the root folder of your web application, so the server.mapPath method converts this to something like C, practice, ASP.NET 4.5 Expert, sample projects, Textland. You will notice that you are using the system.io.file.writeAllBytes method to write a file to the web server's hard drive. It's important to note that this will only work if your web application has permission to save files to the web server. Many third-party web hosts do not allow web applications to make changes to the web server's hard drive. Of course, this is never an issue when you have full control of your own dedicated web server. Test your code now by viewing xml.aspx in your web browser. When the page loads, click Browse, navigate to your sample files folder, click mailmodule.xml, then click Open, and click Upload XML. Nothing appears to happen, but the file was successfully uploaded and written to the TextLand folder. When you upload files to a web application, an indicator often appears to show the user that the file upload is in progress. This can be done in exactly the same way as you did in Lesson 3.9. Close your web browser now, and using Windows Explorer, navigate to the TextLand folder in your Sample Files folder. As you can see, mailmodule.xml has appeared in this folder. Your code saved the file successfully. You may have noticed that the file upload control is only capable of uploading a single file. This presents a problem when you want to upload more than one file. The only solution to this problem within HTML is to create more file upload controls. It is possible to use JavaScript to add as many file upload controls as are needed, and then submit them all by clicking a single button control. You will learn how to do this in Lesson 12.11. Even with this technique, the file upload control is not an ideal way to upload large numbers of files. Files can also be uploaded using browser plugins and applets. Java, Flash, and Silverlight are all capable of bulk file uploading, but your users must have the relevant plugin installed in order to use them. Close Visual Studio now, and you've now completed Lesson 7.3. Use the file upload control.